In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Replit to GitHub. By the end, you'll know how to bring an existing GitHub repository into Replit and how to push a Replit project back to GitHub so your code is safely stored and shareable. First, let's import a project from GitHub into Replit. Open Replit in your browser and sign in. On the dashboard, click the plus button labeled Create REPL. In the options that appear, select Import from GitHub. You'll see a field where you can paste your GitHub repository link. If you don't have the link handy, you can also search for the repository by name. Once the correct repository is selected, click Import. Replit will pull down the code, set up the project, and you'll be able to open it like any other repo. This process effectively turns your GitHub repository into a live Replit project where you can edit, run, and debug right in the browser. If your repository is private, Replit may ask you to authorize access. Just confirm the permissions so it can read the repo. After the import finishes, take a moment to check that your files look correct and that the project runs as expected. Now let's push a Replit project to GitHub. This is especially useful if you started coding in Replit and want a backup or want to collaborate. Open the REPL you want to publish. On the left sidebar, open Tools, then choose Version Control, which may also be labeled Git. Click Connect to GitHub. You'll be prompted to log into your GitHub account if you aren't already. Once connected, you'll have two choices. Create a new repository if this project doesn't exist on GitHub yet, or link an existing repository if you've already set one up. Pick the option that matches your situation. When the connection is in place, click Push. Replit will send your project files to GitHub and create the initial snapshot there. After the push completes, you can visit your GitHub profile to confirm the repository and see your code online. From this point on, your Replit project and GitHub repository are connected. You can keep working in Replit and push updates whenever you're ready, and your history will stay synced on GitHub. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the GitHub page. That's it. Import from GitHub to start working in Replit and push from Replit to backup and share your work on GitHub. Thanks for watching and happy coding.